The people who come to me for drunk driving defense are decent, hardworking, creative, pro-social, successful people, some of whom, but not all, have made a mistake, all of whom need help, and almost all need to fight their cases, and they need the best lawyer they can get. Wisconsin is one of those states that limits plea bargaining in drunk driving cases. What that means is it's very rare for a drunk driving charge in Wisconsin to be reduced or dismissed or plea bargained by the prosecution. This is very common in other states. A Wisconsin attorney needs to know how to fight a case. My clients come to me to fight cases. They want an attorney who's experienced, who has a track record of winning in the courtroom, and that's what we do. Hiring a lawyer is not like buying a television set. It's not just a transaction where you're purchasing something, even a service. It's a relationship. I may be the best lawyer around, and I'm not bashful about saying it, but I'm not the right lawyer for everybody. A person needs to look for a lawyer who cares about them, who has the time for them, and who's a good fit for them, with whom they can develop a good relationship. The one thing people have to watch out for is phony credentials. There are many attorneys who throw around the word specialist or specialize when they're not qualified to do so. In Wisconsin, only an attorney who's board certified by a board that's accredited by the American Bar Association has the right to use the term specialist. I've been in business for 26 years, and I started out as a general criminal defense lawyer. I became known as one of the best criminal defense lawyers in Wisconsin. I spent many years handling cases such as homicides, sexual assaults, major drug cases. I'm experienced in dealing with problems that are the most serious possible problems that a person could have. I take that same attitude with a drunk driving case. People come to me when their careers are on the line. People come to me when a drunk driving ticket, a loss of a driver's license, will destroy their lives. They come to me, they trust me to fight the case, and I can't say I win them all, but I win an awful lot. I'm passionate about my work, and I believe in my work. Drunk driving is a terrible crime, and I'm not in favor of anybody committing the crime of drunk driving. My advice to you or to anybody who's been drinking is to not drive. Take a taxi cab, have somebody else drive. Don't think that you're okay to drive, even if you've had one drink. But I can say this, the war on drunk driving has been a war on our constitutional rights. I'm not in favor of drunk driving, but I'm not in favor of the government trampling over people's privacy, their right to an attorney, their right to remain silent, and their right to a fair trial.